Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Breakout that I want to show you. Breakout is a soft tail bike. It's got the chopped rear fender, 21-inch front wheel, gasser wheels on it. Very nice. 103 motor with a 6-speed. This bike comes in the hard candy chrome finish. Lots of heavy metallic in there. It's almost a salt and pepper look to it. Nice tank badge on it. Forward mount foot controls, factory exhaust. This bike's only got 116 miles on it, so everything on it is in fine shape. Got the little hard candy custom logo back there on the fender. Set up for 2-up riding. These bikes make really awesome solo bikes too, if you wanted to take that pad off of there. Let me show you the mileage here. 116 miles. Hadn't even had an oil change or a full tank of gas run through it. Big, beefy, wide front end. It's beautiful. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. Factory exhaust runs fairly quiet, so you may not be able to hear it real well. We'll see. Very nice bike. Got the rouser mounted speedometer here. It's pretty cool. Got the same style ignition as the Rocker's got. Drag bars. Just in beautiful condition. I didn't see anything that I needed to point out to you. 116 miles. I think these folks must have just rode it home and then sold it. Got a little solid vivid black stripe going through the paint there. Goes on back on the back fender. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Got some excellent financing and extended warranty options on this bike. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. So it would be easy to get this beautiful 2014 Harley Davidson Breakout delivered right into your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.